What's up, guys? Beast24 coming at you here today for you guys. I told y'all try to get some firework footage. I think they're done. Okay, let's look over this way. Okay, no? Okay, let's go.
No, you can look at the... Oh,
there it goes.
Boy.
This is gonna be my new pointer in the videos from now on. Back there you have lightning, heat lightning. That was awesome. Well, actually I didn't say anything about that because I haven't uploaded the video. When I said I would, oh, that was pretty. I want to see if I can catch a lightning bolt on camera. Why is my arm moving so much? Oh, I caught that one, but I want to catch a actual bolt. Okay, I caught one. Well, you just seen that back there. Pretty.
Hey, you saw a lightning bolt too, right?
I caught it on camera.
Well, I saw that. I turned around just to see they were just gone.
Alright, guys. That's going to be it because...
No, you have to watch the light, sir. Oh, there we go.
Trying to catch some more lightning. There we go, there we go. Alright, guys, I'm going to predict where it's going to explode. Somewhere in that area. Right there.
A broken golf club.
Lightning! Oh my dear Jesus! The tree blocked it. I couldn't catch. I caught the.
I caught the lightning bolt. Maybe just look in that direction. Let's see if you missed it. See, you missed it. Here. No, you don't.
All right. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see all y'all in the next video. Bye.